How long does it take to create an online course? Loads of people ask this question as if it's a really simple answer, and there really is no simple answer to this. Now, if you are experienced in videoing, if you're experienced on talking to the camera and you know your topic really, really well, naturally it's going to take you a lot less time to put your course together than it is for somebody who is brand new to putting their face in front of the camera lens. What I have found is that the tech side of it, you can actually learn surprisingly quickly. Tech software and tools out there these days are much more intuitive than they used to be, and you can always hire people like me to set up all of your tech for you. But it's the part where only you can do it, the videoing bit, the bit where, sorry, waving my scissors at you, the bit where, you know, you are the one that's going to have to impart your information, impart your knowledge, talk to the camera lens and share what it is that you know, what it is that you love to your particular audience. That is what that takes people the most amount of time. It's that part where they turn on the camera lens and just freeze, and imposter syndrome takes over and they think, I can't do this. That is the bit that really takes the longest amount of time for most new course creators to get past, to get beyond, and to actually execute. The rest of it can be done really, really quickly. So if you are really just starting out, if you are brand new to the process of course creation, I'd recommend that the first course you create is a mini course or some kind of free lead magnet course that you're going to be giving away in exchange for email addresses and for people to get to know you, like you, trust you, and see your particular style of working, so that you can learn that course creation process and practice talking to the camera in a way that is less overwhelming. If you are going straight for a huge big mama coaching program or authority flagship course, this whole learning the process of course creation at the same time as having to confront what is quite a big task, usually bigger than most people realize, could be something that will overwhelm you so much that it will hold you back from doing anything at all. So please do yourself a favor and don't think about how long should this take me. Think of it as I can get better at this if I practice. I will get faster at this the more practice I do. The more familiar it becomes, the easier it will be. So I just say practice now, practice fast, practice a lot. Just get content out to the world. If it is the camera and the filming part that holds you back, just do short tip videos. Answer one question a day, answer it on video, and just share it online so you can overcome that fear that does come with learning how to speak on camera. Then once you've mastered being able to speak to the camera and you're teaching a topic that you already know, that you don't have to go and research, being able to create the course will happen very, very quickly. So just to give you some idea, because I know some people are still like, she hasn't given me any time duration, she hasn't given me an actual number that I need to work with. I have created many courses. I'm very, very experienced. I generally don't have to edit my videos. I answer a question in one take. And so because I can film it, turn it on, say what I need to say, turn it off and upload it without having to do any editing, I can usually film a 30-day challenge or a 30-day group coaching program in about 3 or 4 days. That will be everything from the concept, the curriculum, filming it all, doing any tweaks to any of the videos, uploading it all, creating the landing pages, doing all of the tech behind the scenes, the email automations, and getting it out to market. That whole process will take me 3-4 days for a full 30-day program. If I'm just doing like a mini course and you know, just it's more of like a sort of 90-minute to 2-hour type mini course, I would have that whole entire thing created and launched within a day. But that is because I've done this so many times. If you are just starting out, I'd very much not give yourself a deadline. Don't put yourself in a situation where you have to have that done by a certain day, because that will put pressure on you and you won't be able to enjoy the process. You'll be worrying so much about, am I there yet? Am I making the right progress? Am I going to make the date? That you're not going to be able to enjoy the whole process of learning it all. So I know I haven't really given you an exact timeline there, but I hope it just gives you a little bit of food for thought around the fact that there isn't a deadline. If it takes you a long time, that's how long it's taking you with the experience that you have, and that is okay. If you're not going as fast as you want to be going, get yourself a coach. Get yourself a qualified course creation specialist. Get yourself somebody who has created and published many courses, who has the number of students or the platform that you aspire to have yourself. Make sure you're being coached by people who already have what it is that you're going for, and get them to help you, move you along, move you faster. hold your hand, or get some of the work done for you. I am one of those people. I'm not the only person out there. I'm not here just to blow my own trumpet, but if you do want help getting your course out of your head, up onto your own platform, come and join my course creation group coaching program. It's 30 days. I'll help you get that launched, or I can help do it all with you on a call just on Zoom. See you soon.